Hey there, I'm Robert. My mom and dad founded Cabin Coffee on the fundamentals that fresh roasted coffee is the best. What sets Cabin Coffee apart from those big brands is that we roast coffee right on site, be it light or dark roast. Don't confuse fresh brewed with fresh roasted. At Cabin Coffee, you will have fresh roasted coffee every time you visit. Get into your local Cabin Coffee and let us show you the fresh roasted difference. We'll see you soon. And don't forget, just be happy and have fun.